In today's day and age, when so many different types of cookware are available, like 5-ply, tri-ply, etc., today we try to understand what makes our AMC cookware so unique and different. Today we are going to understand the build and the construction of the cookware, which makes it very, very unique, and also understand the different product USPs of AMC cookware. So first of all, we start with the metal. AMC cookware is made up of high-grade stainless steel. High-grade stainless steel is non-porous, non-reactive and non-corrosive. This means that food cooked in AMC is very, very safe and hygienic. And the build of the cookware is such that the product will last for decades. So much so that we offer a 30-year global warranty for all our products. The Acutherm capsule base, developed and patented by AMC, is built in such a way that it captures even the smallest quantity of heat and then stores this heat like a battery and then uniformly distributes the heat. This ensures food cooked in AMC is cooked evenly and also at the right temperature. Next up, we look at the monocooling sides. The monocooling sides of walls are made up of high quality stainless steel, and it is a single layer of stainless steel. There is a drop in temperature along the monocooling sides. The monocooling sides get less heated compared to the Acutherm base. This drop in temperature ensures that steam condenses and drips back into the lid. This makes sure that the temperature is always below the boiling point, that is 100 degrees inside the pot. Now, we also have a sensotherm which has an inbuilt thermometer and a visiotherm. So the sensotherm senses the temperature at which the food is being cooked inside the pot, and this is relayed to us, the users, through the visiotherm. The sensotherm and visiotherm combination ensures that food in AMC pots are always cooked at the right temperature. The handles of the AMC pot are made up of high quality stainless steel. These are the only cooking pots that have an inbuilt ceramic inlay in the handles. These ceramic inlays, referred to as the thermoblock, cut off excess heat from the pot going on to the handles, which is why we refer to our handles as stay cool handles. The ceramic inlay ensures that the handles never get too hot while cooking and makes it very easy and convenient to grip the pot. And finally, we have what is called as an audiotherm. The audiotherm fits onto the visiotherm and perfectly mirrors the visiotherm. So this ensures that the food is cooked at the right temperature. So the audiotherm tells us, with the help of an acoustic signal, when the heat is too high or too low. So depending on the signal, we either reduce the flame or increase the flame. This ensures that cooking with AMC is a breeze and very, very convenient. Now there's no need to stay in the kitchen to monitor the cooking process. The audiotherm will monitor the cooking process for us, and we can continue with life away from the kitchen. Most of the people today are under the misconception that the greater the number of plies in the cookware, the better the cookware is. For example, people would assume that a 5-ply cookware is better than a 3-ply cookware. But whether it's a 5-ply or a 3-ply, the construction is such that the 3-ply cookware would have an aluminium core which is sandwiched between layers of stainless steel. Now what the aluminium core would do would help the cookware to quickly absorb heat. So the only advantage that a tri-ply or a 5-ply would offer is quick and fast cooking. Other than that, there's no major advantage of a 3-ply or a 5-ply. So if you have to choose between tri-ply, 5-ply and AMC cookware, the answer is obvious. You will have to go with AMC cookware because this is the only cookware which will help you cook at the right temperature, and this ensures preservation of all the vital nutrients. And this is the only cookware which will help you cook with zero oil. And this ensures that food cooked in AMC is low in fat and calories. And this is the only cookware which will help you steam vegetables without water. And this ensures there's maximum retention of vitamins, minerals and nutrients. So the choice is obvious. You need to go with AMC cookware and you need to do it today.